Hello and welcome to this walkthrough of the Record Deletion Tool for Business Central. This is a tool that can be used to clean up test data and transactions from a company. The use case could be that you have worked on setups and you have loaded the master data records and you start testing in Business Central and you want to use this company for a go live and you want to have test transactions and posted documents and orders, etc. deleted. The tool is available in AppSource. You can go there, search for Record Deletion Tool, and install it in your environment. When you've done that, you will find it by searching for Record Deletion. It will open up a page like this where there's no records in it. The first step is to use this function here to insert and update the tables. This will go through all the tables in your environment and add it to this tool. If you run this function and you afterwards add some new tables or you install a new extension, you can run the function again to get those additional tables added. When this is done, you use this suggest records to delete. This will check the boxes here, delete records, indicating that the system suggests that we want to delete all the GL entries, all the customer ledger entries, all the vendor ledger entries, etc. So this is only a suggestion. You can manually change these checkboxes here. If you have add-ons, you have to go through those tables and check the tables you want to have deleted for those. After that's done, you can use this delete record function. This will go through those tables that have been checked and delete the records. Obviously, the more data you have in the company, the longer this takes. And we also recommend that you copy the company before you do this step so you have a backup if in case you delete too much and you want to restore it. So the process is now done. You see for the tables that we checked, there is now no records in those tables. The next step will naturally be to review the tables that have some remaining records. And you can do this by setting filter here on the number of records not equal to 0. And then you can go through and make sure that you did not forget to delete records from a table. If you want to view the data, there is an option here to view the records. This will open the page that's listed here as a page ID. So for the ship to address, for example, if I select view records, it will run that page. Some tables don't have page IDs related to them, like this, for example. So if I say view records on this, it will open up a new tab where it displays the raw data in the table. The tool also has an option to check table relationships. It's here. So if you run this, and this is then recommended to be run after you've done the initial deletion of records. It goes through whatever is left and it validates the table relationship between the tables. So, and doing that by looking at the fields and the table relationship property on the fields. So I call this kind of the basic table relationships. And the reason why I want to do this is that if you deleted a table too much, it will be caught in this review of the table relationships. For example, if you happen to delete like the payment terms table, then you will have payment term codes on customer records that's referring to a table where the records doesn't exist, and this tool will then catch those. So I can now put the filter on this number of table relations errors. This shows me that there's a couple of tables here where we have table relation errors. So the account schedule name, for example, I can now drill into this and I can say, okay, in this account schedule name table, there's an analysis view field number 4. it has a value of revenue, and this revenue does not exist in the analysis view table. And then I can go and fix this manually and clean things up. And this is basically the functionality of this record deletion tool. It's available in AppSource, like I mentioned. It's free to use, so download it and check it out. We use it ourselves. We love this tool. We think it's a good way of kind of cleaning up transactions in the company and have something you can start using in the live environment or start testing things in.